Hello and welcome to an episode by ES Repair. I'm your host, Mr. Fix-It. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Perfect Registry by Raxco.com, and I'm going to show you how this program can really make an improvement on your PC's performance. Now, I've been using the software myself for quite some time and have seen a lot of improvements on my computers. To introduce you, you can go to their website at www.raxco.com, and this will bring you to the main website. And I'm going to introduce you to Perfect Registry. You can click on that, and it will bring you up to their main page for Perfect Registry. And it will provide many things that will help speed up your computer. It will work on Windows XP, Vista, 7, and 8. Now, it will fix invalid registry errors. It will defrag and compact the registry. It will improve system response times. It will prevent system crashes and errors. It will drastically improve the overall PC performance, and it has been tested with over 1,000 applications. Now, I am currently an affiliate with Raxco.com, and I have been using their software for quite some time, and I have seen significant improvements on all of my computers. So I'm wanting to share this with you to let you try the software for yourself. It will provide quicker system speeds. A lot of registry errors are caused by installation of programs and uninstallation of programs, which in most cases the program isn't well written, and it can cause problems or errors in the registry, especially when you uninstall it. Now, you can avoid random system crashes, it says on here. It helps prevent blue screens of death. A lot of it's because there's registry errors in the Windows database. It will also back up and restore your registry in the event that you need to restore it and undo the changes that were made to your registry. It also provides a safe PC maintenance to where you can set this on automatic, and it will automatically maintain your registry, and you can set it as to what you want it to complete and what you want it to look for, things like that. Now, it will give you a free scan, and I will show you a link to my blog and to my website and show you where you can get the software. To get started, all you need to do is you can choose your free scan if you like. If you want to try this out and look at it, they do guarantee a 30-day money-back guarantee on all of their products. They do offer free support in removing any of the free trials of their products. They don't contain any malware or any third-party installations. They don't change any of your browsers or systems or security settings. They don't collect any information or redirect or retransmit any of your personal information without consent. And you sign up, and they will send you from time to time emails concerning the software or products to let you know if there's updates, or they'll show you some other software you may be interested in, which you can opt out to unsubscribe from their emails. All you have to do is put in your first name and last name and a valid email address, and they will send you a link to where you can download the software, and it will provide you a free scan to let you try the software out. Well, I'm going to show you exactly everything the software will do. Here I have the program installed and it's ready to go. Once you install the program, that first thing it will do will back up the software or back up your registry before any changes are made. Then it will perform a scan, such as you see here. Now, this computer has never had the registry worked on. And as you can see, over time, from installing and uninstalling games, this is what it finds. Now, to set this up, you can also defrag the registry. This comes in handy after you cleaned it up and got all the errors out. Now, this will compact and defragment the registry. You can also back up the registry. Here, as you can see, you can take a full registry backup, as this one did here. This is the backup that it performed before it did the scan. Now, if anything was to go wrong, this will allow you to restore it back to the previous point. And you can also do other settings, such as tell Perfect Registry which areas to scan. You can tell it what to exclude, such as different registries that you do not want it to look into. Here I have to skip errors due to removable media. This is because some devices are removable, such as flash cards. And I always leave it set for that because there are times I do not always have the removable media, such as CDs or DVDs in the drive. So I leave this one checked so the program will skip them. Now, this one here I do not check. Now, it does come checked by default to skip empty registry keys. But what I do is, if it's an empty registry key, then there's no use for it. So I go ahead and have it unchecked, then that way Perfect Registry will automatically remove it. Another thing you can do is schedule it. You can have it run automatic. You can have it run once, and then you can set the date and time that you want it to run and what day of the week you want it to run. You can also have it set for every day. You can do it once a week. You can you don't have to schedule it, but it does come in handy because it can automatically run in the background. And I usually do mine once a week, depending on how often it's being used, because it seems to do very well for me, doing it once a week. Now you can also do go click on the General tab. This will help you select your language that you're using. You can choose what the program control does when you close the button. And you can choose if you want the program to automatically start up when Windows starts up. Now up here on the top right hand corner, you also have a help button. So if you have any questions, frequently asked questions, you can always look here, and you can also have it checked for any updates. Now, to get back to the scan, we'll click back on the scan registry, and it'll bring you back to this. Now, you can choose sections you want to scan independently, or you can have it do the entire system. Now again, it's got it written right here in red that it's found over 2,700 errors. Now the meter over here shows you that the damage. The higher it is, the more problems there are in your computer, and the sooner the attention needs to be made. Now let's review the errors. Again, it will bring you up to this window we saw earlier. And as you can see, there's a lot of them that's related to the user file or the user profile. There's over 2,500 alone in that one. Then you have the COM and ActiveX controls. Then you have user-related errors. Then you have startup and uninstall errors. And now you also have the error details. Now if you're using the free trial, it won't let you fix all of the errors. You can purchase it. I'm going to have links on my website to show you where you can get this and how you can get it, and let you try it for yourself. I do recommend this software, as I will show you. Let's click Fix Errors. Now again, it's going to back up the software, your current configuration. It's going to show you which one is processed. Once you run the program a couple of times to run the scan the registry, it will eventually come up with no errors. Now some programs intentionally do leave empty keys in the registry because it uses those keys for different functions. So don't be surprised if you get one or two errors, or maybe 5 errors, that it won't go away, because some programs will keep an open key because it uses the key for other functions. Now once it's complete, it will come back and it shows that it has no errors. Now once you run the scan and it can't find no errors, now you're in tip-top shape. Next, let's go to the Defrag Registry. Now here we're going to see how bad the registry has been defragmented because of all the errors that were removed. So choose Optimize Registry. Now it wants to make sure that all the work is saved before hitting yes. And then once you be sure everything is saved and ready to go, then choose yes. Now as you can see here, usually if you're in 1% range for fragmentation, that's fairly good. Here it's 31.81%. So as all the areas in red compared to the areas in blue, as you can see, it is very, very fragmented. Now over here it shows you what section in the registry is fragmented, shows you what the original size is, and when it's optimized, how much the size would be. This one here shows this is 92% fragmented. This section here is over 79.5%. Now it will show you the before and the after to show you how much space you're going to be saving. And each section is different. And it will show you how bad the fragmentation is. Now once you review this, all you have to do next is just choose Optimize Now. Now what this will do is restart your computer and optimize your registry. Choose yes. Now all you have to do is wait for the computer to restart. Now it will tell you that the program did initiate a restart. Just choose close and wait for the PC to restart. Now when the computer restarts, it will start the Perfect Registry program, and it will illustrate what it's going to be doing. It will tell you the number of hives that it's going to optimize, which in this case is 8. It will tell you the Windows version that it's detected, and it will automatically tell you exactly which hive that it's optimizing and when it's done. So just sit back and be patient. Now once it's finished, it will show you, it will automatically restart Windows and boot you back into the Windows operating system. Now your computer has restarted and it has been cleaned out, it has been optimized, and as you can see, it does load a lot faster. And this computer has never had this done, and as you can see, it's got a lot of games on it. A lot of these games just come and go, and this is where a lot of the errors in the registry creeps in. Now we can start this back. It will bring up the user account control because this does make changes to the system. Choose continue. Now, as you can see here, it does bring it up, showing that the fragments have been successfully removed. It's found 8 hives. The size before the optimization was 7 megabytes. Now, as you can see, it saves 2 megabytes. And then you just click Finish. Now, we choose Continue. And now you can go back and set it up. Now, they are Microsoft Gold certified, and which means that they work with Microsoft to make any changes and optimize your Windows computer. Now, you have a thing here. I do have this upgraded to a full version thanks to Raxco.com. The version is up to date. You can click Help and choose Check Updates from time to time. You can also get this as a subscription to ensure that you have the latest update to your Perfect Registry. Now I'm going to show you how you can configure it to run automatically. Here I'm going to set for every week. And what this will do is once a week it will automatically run. You can tell it what time to do it, which in this case I want to have it do it every Saturday at 4 p.m. And there we go. So this is set up to do it once a week on Saturday. I can do it on multiple days, like I can do it, Mondays and Saturdays, or I can do it Wednesdays and Saturdays. You can choose what day every week you want it to run, and then choose Apply. And then it will automatically create the schedule. And that's all there is to this software. I do recommend that you at least try the software. You can purchase a single license for a single computer, or you can purchase license for the whole house, for all your computers in your home. So check it out. I recommend it. I'm going to have the links on my blog, so stay tuned. I'll give you the address to look it up. And hopefully the software will work for you as well as it has for me. I'm your host, Mr. Fixit. This has been a presentation by ES Repair. Thank you for watching.